Welcome back, everybody. Ever since the U.S. Supreme Court overruled the Roe versus Wade decision last year, there has been a renewed effort to codify the right to an abortion into New York State's Constitution. The Equal Rights Amendment would do just that. Supporters say it also ensures gender equality. But Two on Your Side's Keelan Berrien tells us how opponents worry it could have unintended consequences.
New Yorkers deserve a constitution that recognizes that every person is entitled to equal rights and justice under the law, regardless of who they are, whom they love, or what their families look like.
The state legislature just passed a bill to guarantee equal protection to everyone in the state's constitution. Assemblymember Rebecca Seawright sponsored the amendment that also protects a woman's right to choose.
The concept of equality under the law is a foundational principle of our democracy, but our understanding of which groups deserve and receive enforceable legal protections has changed dramatically.
An equal rights amendment was first proposed in Albany nearly 85 years ago. Opponents to the current constitutional amendment, like State Senator George Borrello, argued the bill is too broad and could potentially infringe on freedom of religion, impacting, among others, Catholic organizations.
It may force them to have to perform abortions and other things that go against their beliefs. That this could lead to other things like withholding state funding. Virtually every hospital in New York State gets some kind of state support, and this constitutional amendment could basically say if you don't perform abortions, you may lose your state funding.
The amendment was first approved a year ago at the height of the Supreme Court's decision on Roe versus Wade. To change the state constitution, lawmakers had to pass it again this session. It will now go before voters in next year's general election.
Our belief that there are rights that are so sacrosanct that they cannot be challenged, and it starts right here in a place like New York.
And Keelan joins us now. So the Equal Rights Amendment obviously is about more than just abortion, but sticking with that, specifically, some people will watch and say, well, abortion is already legal in the state of New York, right? Why do you need this? What is different about putting it in the state constitution?
Right, Michael. And although the state of New York already have abortion rights, this new constitution will ensure and provide extra protections for abortion if laws were to change on the national level.
All right, Keelan, thank you so much for that report.